His gas-saving invention could be retrofitted onto almost any kind of vehicle.
We have the science, we have the knowledge. All we need to do is put it together and use it.
Hydrogen and oxygen burn. This makes it possible to have a hydrogen on-demand fuel system for cars using plain water as the storage system and releasing the hydrogen and oxygen from the water by running electric current through the water. The resulting hydrogen and oxygen gas is sent to the engine,
to powering the entire world from the safest and cleanest fuel on Earth. Members of Congress recently invited Denny Klein to Washington to demonstrate his technology. Now his company is currently developing a Hummer for the U.S. military that can run on both water and gasoline. So far, his water-powered engines have passed all performance safety inspections, so all systems appear to be go right now and gives new meaning to the term running water.
Steve's process modifies tap water into a powerful fuel, which he says can improve fuel efficiency and reduce exhaust.
It's environmentally the right choice.
We take ordinary tap water, separate it through DC electrolysis into an atomic mixture of hydrogen and oxygen through one hose. And it's a clean, burning, reusable fuel source. It takes nothing from the air, it gives nothing back to the air, and when you burn, you have water as the exhaust, so to speak. With this technology, we will be able to run cars and power plants with clean burning water as a fuel source. And since the Earth is covered with 2/3 of water, we will no longer have an energy crisis in this country or in the world, and we'll clean up the environment in the process.
Everybody jumping on the ground. Yeah, jumping with the everybody just dancing. Jump up, jump to the left, jump to the right, do it like y'all, yeah. Do it like y'all, yeah.